Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 29th, 2022. So Tesla comes out and announced that they want to do a stock split and the market goes up 8%. Now, what will it mean for Tesla's stock price right now? I'm going to talk about that today on this video. So make sure you guys hit the like button, and also subscribe here to the channel to ensure you stay updated as to where I'm seeing the market go before price actually gets there. That's the edge that we need to have in this competitive market. We need to make sure we stay ahead of the game in order for us to win. So if you guys want to join me, like I said earlier, keep it locked in here. All right. So check this out. I did a video in Tesla, March the 19th, right? March the 19th, I did a video on Tesla and I was playing the strength into the market. Once the market flips, you come in and participate with the market buyers. If the market sellers were dominating the market, guess what? I'll become a seller. You need to be that versatile into the stock market. You do not want to be biased in the stock market because that is where your emotions kick in and you become emotional and you begin to do irrational things. Play the side of the market that is winning. And right now in Tesla, the buyers are winning in the market. That is why I went ahead on the 19th of March, played the strength to this particular stock. It wasn't hard. It wasn't confusing at all. You guys can see maybe 2 days into the price prediction, we would have gotten that 10.5% out the market. If you were to get out yesterday, it was 20%. Just that simple. All right. So let's take this away because they went ahead and announced a stock split and the market went up. Okay, cool. We're not surprised. We already knew that the buyers were dominating the market back when I did my last video. Now, the question that many people are going to see and expect is, okay, cool. How high are we going to expect the market to go in Tesla now, seeing that they want to do a stock split? Well, seemingly, look at this. Many people haven't explained that a lot of stocks have been on a massive run up, right? At one point, they was worried about Jerome Powell and inflation and the risk of us going into a recession. The yield curve have inverted. The Russian-Ukrainian conflict. There's so many things going on into the world, but yet and still these markets are going straight up in price. This is why I don't pay attention to the news when it comes to looking at stocks. Price is already telling you what the majority of the market is doing. People, while many people were nervous and scared and waiting to see what's going to happen in this situation and that situation, they were putting on money expecting the market to go up. That is why we was already in position on the last video to look for that exactly, for Tesla to go up. Now, let's see how high though, because look at this. Since the 15th of March, right? Since the 15th of March, the market has already ran up 44% already. I mean, are you due to see the market come down? Eventually it has to, especially when you see it go from less than 2 weeks, go up 44%. Those who were already in position back here on March the 15th, guess what? Yeah, they're going to be prepared to take some profitability off the market. So keep that in mind as we continue to trade Tesla going forward. All right. So this is Tesla right here on the 5-day time frame. You guys can see it, massively bullish. Like, let's keep it a buck. Let's keep it real. This stock is massively bullish. Here it is. We got 8 hours and 54 minutes left on this current 5-day price bar, and the market is still bullish. Do you suspect that we're about to top out though? Because we got this area right here that place a lid into the market in Tesla. That's going to be our first area of concern right there. $1,160, $1,200. We need to see the buyers really uphold Tesla's price there. Look at Tesla on the 3-day. Again, do you see any weakness on the chart? 4 consecutive 3-day price bars. This market in Tesla has gone straight up. Tesla on the 2-day. Tesla on the 2 weeks. Look at that on the 2 weeks time frame. Yeah, look at that spread. Okay, let me show you a different time frame. 3 weeks. You see that? This is how you're able to know that the market is strong. It's because prices cannot lie. Prices has no opinion. They have no point to try to get across. They're not trying to lie to you. Price, it is what it is. And when you see strength, you play along with the strength. When you see weakness, you play along with the weakness. So guess what we're going to do today? Yeah, we're going to play along with the strength. Check this out. 2 days and 9 hours left. Look how strong that monthly price bar is in Tesla on the monthly chart right there. So I'm still looking for the stock to go up in Tesla. It's just that simple. So we need to try to gauge though, okay, as to how high this market can go, because it's kind of ragged and rigid as to how high we can see Tesla come. So originally I'm looking around 1120 and then 1160 and then 1200. I'm definitely seeing that the prospect of the market in Tesla, as basically how strong this market is right now, for it to try to make all-time highs, right? So the first, I'm going to give you 3 price targets. The first one's 1120. Okay, right there around 1120. That's on the 2.69%. But when you add that to what we did on the last video, it adds up. Next one's going to be 1160. I really think from what I've seen on the 2 weeks and the 3 week time frame, 1160 should be hit in Tesla. That gives us 6.25%. And then the third area, I'm going to take it up here towards all-time highs, which is about another 10% movement in Tesla. All right. So now let me hit this back over to the daily time frame. And we're going to play some strength into the market in Tesla as long as market price holds $988. Okay. Now we got 1120, 1160, and $1,200. Those are the 3 price targets that I'm trying to eye the buyers taking this price before the sellers stand up and try to push this market back down. Now, like I said, be prepared for market to come down because it's been a fantastic run since the 15th of March. You would expect the market to at least give us a couple of days to where it dips and come down in price. As long as the market, like I told you earlier, holds $988, it might go down a little bit lower than that, but the upward probabilities of seeing Tesla go up is still on the table. Okay, so now real quick, this is what I'm noticing into the market in Tesla after they announced that they want to do a stock split. This is where I'm thinking the price is headed next. So now real quick, let me know, where do you all think Tesla's price is going to go into the month of April? Yeah, 1 month. Give me your price target. All right, make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.